Hey everyone, imagine this. You just splurged on a brand new Tesla, excited about zipping around with that sweet electric power. But then, 3 years down the line, it feels like your shiny Tesla's got a bit less zip than it used to. Why? Well, it turns out there's a bit of a hiccup with the battery life. A recent study has thrown a spotlight on an issue some Tesla owners are facing. The report, conducted by Recurrent, involved a whopping 1.6 million observations of 14,000 Teslas. What they found was pretty startling. Many of Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y vehicles are delivering only 64% of the original EPA range after just 3 years due to battery degradation. Now you might be thinking that's almost a third of the range gone. And you're right, it does raise some eyebrows. But before you jump to conclusions, let's unpack this a bit. First off, it's important to note that Tesla has got your back with some pretty solid warranties. Both the Model 3 and Model Y come with a guarantee that the batteries will hold up to at least 70% of their original capacity for either 8 years or 100,000 miles. That's a relief, right? But it does make you wonder about the gap between the expected and the real-world performance. So, what's causing this drop? Battery degradation is a natural phenomenon in electric vehicles, but the rate at which it's happening here is what's concerning. Factors like charging habits, frequency of use, and even the environment can play huge roles in how well an EV's battery holds up over time. Now, let's not forget, Tesla isn't the only player in the EV market. Other manufacturers often offer similar, if not more extended, warranties. Some are even pushing the envelope to 10 years with the same mileage cap. This competition could push Tesla to find solutions faster and perhaps improve their technology or warranty offerings. In response to these findings, Tesla might need to reassess their battery technology or their customer assurance policies. It's not just about keeping up with competitors, it's about maintaining trust with consumers who are making a significant investment in sustainable technology. So what does this mean for you, the potential EV buyer or a current Tesla owner? Well, it's crucial to stay informed and consider how these factors might influence your decision or satisfaction with an electric vehicle. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating the evolving landscape of electric vehicles. All right, folks, that wraps up our dive into Tesla's battery situation. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just curious about the future of transport, keeping tabs on these developments is key. Until next time, keep those gears turning and stay charged up for more tech insights.